Have you ever pondered the existence of Atlantis, the fabled ancient civilization, supposedly lost forever beneath the waves? A question that has intrigued scholars, historians, and dreamers alike for thousands of years. The story of Atlantis, a powerful and advanced kingdom that disappeared without a trace, is one of the most enduring legends in history. The tale first springs from the pages of two dialogues written by the ancient philosopher Plato more than 2,000 years ago. In them, he describes Atlantis as a powerful and advanced kingdom that sank, in a single day and night of misfortune, into the ocean. Plato's accounts were so detailed and vivid that it's hard not to wonder if he was recounting a real place. However, the mainstream theory among historians and archaeologists is that Atlantis was purely allegorical, a morality tale invented by Plato to illustrate his philosophical theories. The island, they suggest, was never meant to be taken as a real place. Some argue that the story was inspired by ancient Minoan civilization, which thrived on the island of Crete until it was devastated by a volcanic eruption and a subsequent tsunami around the time Plato was writing. But if you were to ask, is that all there is to the story of Atlantis? Well, the answer is a resounding no. For every mainstream theory, there are countless others that challenge the status quo and invite us to consider possibilities that are far more extraordinary. Our journey into the enigma of Atlantis is just beginning. We are about to embark on an exploration of alternate theories that take us from the depths of the ocean to the farthest reaches of our planet. From the idea of Atlantis as a technologically advanced civilization to the hypothesis of it being a global empire, each theory is as enthralling as the next. Yet, if we dare to venture beyond the mainstream, a myriad of fascinating theories await us. So let's dive in, shall we? Ever wondered if Atlantis was a technologically advanced civilization, centuries ahead of its time? Picture a society where technological marvels surpass even today's standards, a world where innovation and knowledge flow like water, and the impossible becomes the everyday. This is the Atlantis that some theorists propose. They argue that Atlantis was home not just to advanced human technology, but possibly even extraterrestrial innovations. Anomalies in ancient texts and architectural marvels are often cited as evidence of this advanced civilization. Consider the writings of Plato, who described Atlantis as a place of incredible wealth and sophistication. Or the intricate architectural wonders found around the world with precision and complexity that baffle modern engineers. Proponents suggest that these could be remnants of Atlantean technology. Others go further, postulating that Atlantis was a hub for extraterrestrial activity, a meeting point of cosmic cultures. While these theories may seem far-fetched, they add another layer of intrigue to the enigma of Atlantis. They challenge us to question our understanding of history and to consider the potential that lies in the unknown. Could the ruins of Atlantis hold the secrets of advanced ancient technology? What if Atlantis was not a single city, but a global empire? Now, that's a thought that could turn history as we know it on its head. Imagine an expansive maritime civilization, the Atlanteans, reaching out across the vast oceans, establishing colonies that span the globe. This theory might seem far-fetched, but consider this. There are striking similarities in ancient cultures, mythology, and architecture from different continents. For instance, the Great Pyramids of Egypt bear a striking resemblance to the Mayan pyramids thousands of miles away in Mexico. How could two civilizations so far apart independently develop such similar structures? Could it be that these were not independent developments at all, but the work of a common ancestor? An ancient, advanced civilization that spread its knowledge across the world? A civilization like Atlantis? This theory suggests that Atlantis was not just a city, but a global empire. Its influence was not limited to the confines of a single island, but spread across continents, shaping civilizations and leaving traces of its existence in the form of common cultural and architectural elements. Is it possible that traces of Atlantis are scattered across the world, waiting to be discovered? The answer might be lying beneath our feet, buried in the sands of time, waiting for us to dig a little deeper. Could the icy wilderness of Antarctica hide the remnants of Atlantis? A question that has captivated historians and explorers alike. Let's delve into this riveting theory that suggests the lost continent of Atlantis is concealed beneath the Antarctic ice. This hypothesis finds its roots in interpretations of ancient maps and recent satellite imagery. The Piri Reis map, early 16th century, displays a detailed depiction of a landmass at the southernmost part of the globe, a landmass that eerily resembles Antarctica, but without its icy cloak. This raises a tantalizing question. How could a cartographer from the 16th century possess knowledge of a landmass not officially discovered until the 19th century? And moreover, without its defining glacial cover? Fast forward to the 21st century, satellite imagery reveals intriguing anomalies beneath the Antarctic ice. Geometric patterns, too precise to be naturally occurring, have sparked debates among historians and geologists. Could these patterns be the remnants of an ancient civilization that once thrived in a temperate Antarctica? If we entertain this theory, it pushes us to reassess our understanding of Earth's history and climate. A temperate Antarctica suggests a drastically different climatic past, one that could have nurtured an advanced civilization like Atlantis. It also implies a cataclysmic event that caused a rapid freezing, encapsulating Atlantis in a frozen tomb. The implications of this theory extend beyond the academic, stirring the adventurous spirit within us. The thought of an ancient civilization lost in time, lurking beneath miles of ice, waiting to be discovered, is nothing short of exhilarating. But as with all theories, skepticism abounds. Critics argue the lack of concrete evidence and the feasibility of a rapid freezing event. However, in the realm of Atlantis, the absence of evidence is not necessarily evidence of absence. If buried under the ice of Antarctica, Atlantis could rewrite our understanding of the past. A tantalizing prospect that keeps the mystery of Atlantis alive and the quest for its discovery ongoing. In the end, the enigma of Atlantis continues to captivate us. We've journeyed through the kaleidoscope of theories that seek to explain this enduring mystery. From the vision of a technologically advanced civilization that was perhaps ahead of its time, to the concept of a formidable global empire that might have spanned continents. We've delved into the intriguing possibility of the lost continent being nestled in the icy expanses of Antarctica, an idea that challenges our conventional understanding of historical geography. The diversity of these theories underscores the enigmatic charm of Atlantis, a mystery that has stood the test of time. Each theory, each piece of purported evidence, adds a new layer to this complex puzzle. As we continue to explore and uncover the secrets of our past, who knows what discoveries await? Perhaps one day we will finally unravel the mystery of Atlantis.